Conference on Health Economics Outcome Research to Enhance Decision Making for Global Health, organized by the International Society for Pharmacoeconomics and Outcome Research, India, Andhra Pradesh Regional Chapter, in association with Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research on 4th and 5th August 2023.
Now I request Administrative Officer Dr. K. Vinod Kumar sir to come on to the dais. We invite Dr. V. Pradeep Kumar sir, Program Convener, to come on to the dais. We invite Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy sir, President, ISPOR India AP Regional Chapter, to come on to the dais. We invite Manorama Madam from Shantiram College of Pharmacy to come on to the dais.
We invite our Principal Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy Garu, President, ISPOR India AP Regional Chapter, to address the gathering.
So very good evening to all of you. I think for these 2 days you might have gained some knowledge, enjoyed the 2 days sessions, all sessions. I think yesterday 4 sessions and today 2 sessions by the experts from various institutes. Instead of addressing by us, I feel it's better to have the feedback from you so that we can make some modifications or changes or whatever is required for the present generation students whenever we are going to organize such type of conferences or events. So because from our point of view, what we feel which is right may not be the right for you, because from your point. So how the lectures are there, that all 5 or 6 topics, how it was covered, how it was dealt by the various resource persons. So to what extent you are able to, you could able to absorb the content, and to what extent it will be useful for improving your career opportunities or whatever it may be. So that aspect we would like to know your feedback. So even though the feedback forms are being circulated to you by our team members, maybe I request some of you can come forward to say from your point of angle. So would you agree with this? Okay, please. Some of you can come forward and express your feelings or opinion, whatever it may be, on these topics. Okay? Thank you.
We invite Professor Venkateshwar Rao sir, Sri Vidyaniketan College of Pharmacy, to join us on the dais. We invite Ramalingeshwar sir, Industrial Department Officer from our college, to come on to the dais.
We invite Dr. K. Vinod Kumar sir, Administrative Officer, Raipur, to address the gathering.
Very good evening to all of you. So we came to the end of the session, 2 days session, and of course first we thank the coordinator for arranging this organization. And I would like to thank all the participants, various college participants, as administrative officer of this college, because you came all the way from JSS, Mysore, Kurnool, Tirupati, Bangalore, especially RR College of Pharmacy. So hope you enjoyed the 2-day session. And one more thing I want to say is, so you have done good job. Means instead of sitting under a roof in between four walls, you come across, if you have this habituate this in future also, this will be very beneficial to you, because what is happening in other colleges, so you know what is happening in your college and in your house, this type of conferences. So try to make habituate like this, at least yearly once you can plan to go to any one conference like this, so that not only sharing the knowledge, you can share the views and you can know what is happening in the outside your college. And finally, I would like to thank the management, everyone, so the college's managements, those who send you here, that means they have given permission to you to come here. And as principal sir said, of course, ఇది చేస్తే బాగుంటుందని మేము అనుకొని ఇలా చేసాం కాన్ఫరెన్స్, బట్ యూ మైట్ ఫైండ్ సమ్ ల్యాక్యునా, ఇది ఇలా కాకుండా ఇలా ఉంటే బాగుంటుందని. సో దట్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, genuine feedback we require. So if you want to, don't to reveal, if you are hesitate to reveal your name, no need to mention your name. Without mentioning your name, you can give your feedback in the forms, and you can openly come and here speak, give your feedback openly, so that we will take it as a positive way. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We invite Ramalingeshwar Rao sir to address the gathering.
Good afternoon. It's very interesting to see the entire gathering is here. It's very good sign actually, because you are still a very energetic. That shows the program is very interesting actually. I think that topic is very apt. I don't know how many of you know, so I have spent 32 years in industry. Last 1 year I am associated with the college, and it is a good feeling to come back to the college. That's the feeling I have, because I am also learning, because for the past 1 year I have been in industry. The approach from the industry and the college is very different. The whole idea of my coming to the college is I have been in the other side, where I see the students coming into the industry. So the idea of my coming to academy is to give back to the society. In the sense, I try to build some relationship, make it more meaningful. What is the expectation from the pharmacy profession? I know pharmacy profession as a whole, still in India it is a long way to go. We are introducing new courses and everything. Also, I am also trying to go back and talk to some of my industrial friends, so that what happens is at least we create our own value. Because as you know, we are all pharmacists, we are spending so much time in studying everything. However, always there is a competition for us with the other courses like MSc and everything. Do you know why? Because we are not showing the same interest or determination what we have for the other professions. So we can only create the value. So give value for what we have studied. So we also interact. So wherever opportunity comes, you know, that you go somewhere, the community pharmacy, all these things are very important. See, there is a purpose for each branch. It's not that one branch will give. What I observe is everybody go into software and everything. See, if you want to go into software, you need not even study pharmacy. Even BSc, MSc people, MCA people, everybody is competing for software. But when you want to design a software, unless you know the basics, because yesterday Ishwar Reddy sir told that artificial intelligence and everything. See, the machine can do what we say, but who is going to teach the machine? It's us only. So if we say something wrong, the machine will do the same thing. So ultimately there is no replacement for the human brain. So what I mean to say is, unless you are very strong in your basics and everything, it's very difficult. I know during your calculation to calculate. That's what we are mentioning. See, if you take the vitamins, everything, you know how much shelf life we put, 200 times the shelf life, because it's very unstable. So now the things are coming where even technologies can be directly fill the drug. There is no need to add any excipients. They directly fill the drug and they give it. So what I mean to say is, the economy means it is not only the money. People always correlate the economy with money. It's not the money. It's the simplification. How fast we can deliver the drug and everything. COVID is a good example. Usually the drug to come into the market vaccine, the clinical trials approval takes 10 years. Do you know the vaccine Covaxin? So what happened, it is developed by our Indian company. So it came very fast. Covishield, everything come from outside. But ultimately proven our own indigenous drug. What happened is we have talent everywhere. But only thing is we are not taking time to exploit what we have learned. So my sincere request is, I am happy to see so many people here. It's always good to listen because some things you don't get in the textbook. This is the opportunity where you come, you make friends, you get connect. Keep engaged. It's very important. As you said, you can go back to your college, you go back to the management, and you can tell them what you have learned, what is not there in your college. Similarly, you can come back and tell to us what is there in your college which is not in there. So it's a mutual sharing of information so that it is mutually we benefit each other. Will you do that? Yes? Do you give feedback to your college? You are giving feedback here. Do you go back and feedback to your college and thank your professors for giving this opportunity? Always think Guru is always the best. Thank them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We invite Venkateshwar Rao sir from Sri Vidyaniketan College of Pharmacy to address the gathering.
Respected my senior, Dr. Padmanabh Reddy Garu, Principal of Raghavendra Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and another senior, Dr. Ramlingeshwar Rao Garu, R&D in charge of RIPER, and other faculty members and fellow colleagues, my dear students from different colleges, and today, and the last day for the seminar. Before saying a few words, because I don't want to take much more time, because students are very eagerly waiting for the prizes for the poster presentation, because wonderful presentations as a judge I practically observed, but what we have to do is improve the practical knowledge also simultaneously, apart from the theoretical knowledge, because pharmacy is no doubt, it is a evergreen profession. There is no question of the up and downs, but only one thing is that is in our hands to utilize the services of the well experienced faculty members which are available in our respective colleges. Try to interact with each and every faculty member and get good guidance. This is the only way to reach our goal. So pharmacy profession is not an ordinary profession. It is a profession linked with healthcare services. So as a responsible citizen, we have to dedicate our services honestly and most sincerely to the welfare of the humankind. So before I conclude, I would like to say one quotation stated by the Swami Vivekananda. An aimless life is always a miserable life. Everybody should have an aim. You live of it, you think of it, you dream of it. This is the only way to reach the goal. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I request
A very good afternoon to you all. My name is Y. Siddesh. I am studying 2nd B Pharmacy in Sri Vidyaniketan College of Pharmacy. Presently it is called as MB Pharmaceutical Sciences. Really, I am very happy today here because these 2 days experience learns me a lot, because in these 2 days I observed that the evaluators, how they are asking questions and how they are evaluating us, what the questions they are raised, and there are more than 300 members are there, but only 3 members will got prizes. How they are evaluating it? Because in this present day, being in classrooms, following academic curriculum, only studying for passing semester exams, it is not sufficient for us to explore in the reality world, to stand in the reality world, to get more knowledge in the reality world. It needs a lot. In these conferences, like seminars, these ISPOR, like these programs are very useful to us. As a student, I want to say one thing. If you want to be successful in our careers, if you want to be one stand, to be with ourselves, to make more connection with public, we have to participate in all these programs, because being in a classroom is not matter. I hope that in these 2 days they taken care of us. I am very happy and I am very thankful to them. And whoever got prizes, it doesn't mean they are winners. Here, whoever participated here, we are all winners. No matter how much we have said, we are all winners. So always, participation is better than success. Be the man of values. Values are important to any persons to be in this real world. So getting success is not important. How much disciplined, how much value is important to a student in this real world. So definitely, whoever very patiently we are listening these 2 days sessions. Number of excellent people are came here. They expresses their words. How to stand after B pharmacy, after M pharmacy. There are lakhs of students. There are lakhs of engineering students coming out after graduation for 1 year. So they do not getting sufficient. They do not getting sufficient jobs. Why? Lack of skills, lack of knowledge. So definitely these conference programs, these expert suggestions are important to us, and this makes to reach our higher rates. So keep coming to these conferences and never miss the opportunity, because we are the human beings. We are the very grateful and we are social beings. Only one life we have. Another life we don't know what we become. So in this one life, experience all, whatever it may be, whatever the opportunity came to you, please accept it. Don't think about money or whatever it is, how much maybe it may be. Do participate and love your life and always be happy. Thank you all.
Thank you, Siddesh, for sharing your feeling about this conference. And any one of you?
Being a second B Pharmacy student, you have understood the importance of attending the conferences. It's very appreciable. And I request any other students to come and express your shares or thoughts and what you felt about the conference, or any other things which you want to expect from to conduct more this type of sessions. Like today, in these 2 days, we have concentrated on pharmacoeconomics and conduction of research. So like that, what are your expectations for the further sessions? So that we can plan further sessions. Acharya, JSS, RR College of Pharmacy, any staff, BM Acharya College, Balaji College of Pharmacy.
See, if the teachers don't stand up, students will be sitting only. So I expect at least some staff people to come forward and speak. Because it's very important that you also speak.
Girls, the strength is more here. I think at least I request one of the girls to come forward. Yes, thank you.
Good evening all. I am K. Himlata from Form D 3rd year, Creative Educational Society College of Pharmacy from Kannur. Sir, I can't say anything, it's just all perfect, sir. We are very happy for this. Actually, we are very happy for this opportunity. This is my first conference. Thank you. I can't say anything, sir. I just say it is perfect. I don't know మీరు ఎన్ని రోజుల నుంచి కష్టపడి ఇట్లా ప్లాన్ చేసి ఇట్లా చేశారో నాకు తెలీదు, బట్ ఇట్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ సార్, పర్ఫెక్ట్ అంతే, ఇంకా నేను ఏం చెప్పలేను. I don't have any proudness of my college. మిమ్మల్ని తగ్గించాలి, మిమ్మల్ని ఎక్కించుకోవాలన్న ఫీలింగ్ ఏం లేదు అసలు. ఇక్కడ చూసిన తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక ఇక్కడ లెక్చరర్స్ కానీ స్టూడెంట్స్ కానీ అట్లీస్ట్ మాకు ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వకపోయినా మేము ఏది అడిగినా దానికి ఈవెన్ లెక్చరర్స్ అయినా స్టూడెంట్స్ అయినా ఒక రెస్పెక్టఫుల్గా ఒక రెస్పాన్సిబుల్గా మాకు చేశారు సార్. సో వీఆర్ వెరీ అప్రిషియేట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీరు మమ్మల్ని కేర్ తీసుకున్నందుకు, మాకు రెస్పాన్స్ అయినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఇట్స్ ఓవరాల్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అంతే సార్, ఏం చెప్పలేము.
Thank you, Hemalata. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. And please do participate in the further sessions. And any other girl or boy? Yes, please come forward.
Good afternoon all. Myself Shrutva Shetty. I am from JNTA. And first of all, I thank Riper College to treating us so well. This is the first thing which have attracted us a lot. And the conferences, the teachers, the professors taught us was so good. And being in a first year, still we got an interest about studying well and being well. Thank you sirs and ma'ams for treating good. This is the first thing I wanted to say since yesterday, and the conference was so good. I thought of participating in seminars and all, but I didn't. I feel regret, but for the next time, sure, I'm gonna participate. And for this 6 years, please conduct such conference and invite us. Definitely, we're gonna participate. Thank you.
Thank you, Shrutva. Surely we are going to conduct such more conferences. Any other? Any other student or any other faculty? We request Dr. Rajwardhan, Head Department of Pharmacy Practice from Balaji, to come on to the dais. We request Dr. Rajwardhan sir to speak to address the gathering.
Hello everyone. As an alumni of Riper, we are pleased to organize this conference. Actually, we organized so many conferences, and every year the strength is going to increase day by day, the attendees from other colleges. And I am proud to be alumni of Riper. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Any other faculty, students? From Riper, anyone wants to give a feedback? Dr. T. Nilima, please come on to the stage and give your feedback.
Good evening to all. This is Nilima, research scholar from JSS College of Pharmacy, Mysuru. I am very proud alumni of the Riper College. Actually, I did here for 3 years as assistant professor. After that, I went to pursue college, which has been built responsibilities in me. I'm so happy to be Riper alumni. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilima ma'am. I hope that you have attended any other sessions also, like not only in our college, you might have attended conferences and other colleges also. So I just want some students to come and share your views about what type of conferences you expect from the colleges, what you expect in the future from like for example career opportunities or personality development. So which type of conferences you expect from the colleges, or which type of workshops you expect from the colleges? Don't be one man in the audience. Come on to the dais and we should stand in front of everyone and be one. Don't be among all the other. Come forward and be the one.
I want to say one thing regarding any lectures or seminars which are being conducted in this college and will be posted in the YouTube. Just go and type Riper in the YouTube, you will get our logo there. And you can find all these seminars and lectures in the YouTube. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So, just for a few minutes, we request Mukesh of our college students to entertain us by singing a song.
ప్రియతమా నీ వచట కుశలమా నే నిచట కుశలమే ఊహలన్నీ పాటలే కనుల తోటలు తొలి కలల కవితలే మాట మాటలు ఓహో కమ్మని ఈ ప్రేమ లేఖనే రాసింది హృదయమే గుండెల్లో గాయమేదో చలంగమానిపోయే మాయ చేసి అమాయే ప్రేమాయే ఎంత గాయమైన గాని నమేరికేమి కాదు పువ్వు సోకి నీ సోకు కందేనే వెలికి రాని వెర్రి ప్రేమ కన్నీటి దారలోన కరుగుతున్నది నాదు శోకమోపలేక నీ గుండె బాధపడితే తాళనన్నది మనుషులెరుగలేరు మామూలు ప్రేమ కాదు అగ్ని కంటే స్వచ్ఛమైనది మమకారమే ఈ లాలి పాటగా రాసేను హృదయమా ఉమాదేవిగా శూన్యర్ధ భాగమైనాలోన నిలువుమా శుభలాలి లాలిజో లాలి లాలిజో ఉమాదేవి లాలిజో లాలి లాలిజో మమకారమే ఈ లాలి పాటగా రాసేను హృదయమా నా హృదయమా. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you, Mukesh.
Thank you. Thank you, Mukesh. Thank you so much. So now we'll be moving forward for the next proceedings. We request all the dignitaries on the dais. Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy sir, President, ISPOR India AP Regional Chapter. Dr. B. Pradeep Kumar sir, Program Convener. Dr. K. Vinod Kumar sir, Administrative Officer. And I request Dr. A. Sudhir Kumar sir, Head Department of Pharmacy Practice to join the dais. I request all the dignitaries on the dais to distribute the certificates to the evaluators for today's session. I request Pawan sir to join with us on the dais. Pawan sir from JNTU OTPRA. I request the dignitaries to distribute the certificates to evaluators for the 2 days conference. Shailaja from JNTU OTPRA. I request the faculty to come and receive the evaluator certificate. Monica, JNTU OTPRA. J. Shravani, JNTU OTPRA. M. Manish Kumar, Mahdi College of Pharmacy. I request M. Manish Kumar Reddy from Mahdi College of Pharmacy as Head Department of Pharmacy Practice to receive the evaluator certificate. I request Dr. U. Virendra from Raipur to receive the evaluator certificate. I request the dignitaries to distribute the certificate to Pawan sir from JNTU OTPRA. Dr. T. Rajavardhan, Balaji College of Pharmacy. Dr. U. Virendra, Raipur. Dr. D.S.V. Rao sir from Vidyaniketan College of Pharmacy. J. Shravani, JNTU OTPRA. Monica, JNTU OTPRA. Shailaja, JNTU OTPRA. Dr. A. Sudhir Kumar sir, Raipur. Dr. J. Kiperudra from Balaji College of Pharmacy. Thank you. We request the dignitaries to proceed with the next program. We request Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy sir and Dr. P. Pradeep Kumar sir to present a certificate to Organizing Secretary Dr. K. Vinod Kumar sir. We request the dignitaries to present a certificate to co-convener Dr. A. Sudhir Kumar sir. We request Naresh sir to announce the prizes, the most awaited part.
Good evening to one and all. Now I am going to announce the oral presentation and poster presentation award winners. First I am going to express my congratulations to all the poster competition students who are involved in this both sessions happened in the yesterday and today. So first I am announcing the consolation prizes to the oral and poster presentations. P. Monica from JSS College of Pharmacy. I request the dignitaries to distribute the certificate. Next consolation prize for the student Sheikh Ashia Begum, JNTU OTPRA. The third consolation prize for the student Sonu Wala from RR College of Pharmacy. Sonowala. Sonowala from RR College of Pharmacy. Now I am going to announce the third prize in the oral poster presentations. MVK Sharwani, third prize, Raipur College. $2,000 cash prize. Second prize, Nazir Afrin, Acharya BM Reddy College, Bangalore. The cash prize 3,000 rupees. And the first prize, G. Nilima, JSS Mysore. Cash award 5,000.
Thank you, Naresh sir.
Actually, special prizes have to be given in appreciation of those who came forward voluntarily first. So I think Siddesh, is it? You can come on prayers. Because whenever the opportunity comes, you need to be the first one. Hemalata, come forward. Third one. So another one who has come forward, we couldn't remember. Please come forward. Yeah, come. So such type of unexpected chances will be there always. Don't expect that. It will be announced later on, you can expect. Okay? So thank you.
I think now many of the students will be regretting why we have not gone for giving feedback. Okay, so next we'll go with the proceedings. We request the dignitaries on the dais to
We invite program convener Dr. B. Pradeep Kumar sir, Professor, Department of Pharmacology, for the thank you note.
Dignitaries on the dais, my colleagues, delegates and volunteers, very good evening. In this occasion, I am very happy about the way of events organized, that is the scientific sessions of the conference. And I am very thankful to the ISPOR head office for the financial assistance, and Principal Raipur, Dr. Y. Padmanabh Reddy Garu, President ISPAR India Andhra Pradesh Regional Chapter, and Vice Principal Dr. Ravindra Reddy Garu for providing platform to organize this conference successfully. I am very much thankful to the eminent speakers of this conference, Dr. M.G. Rajanand from SRM University, Dr. M.S. Ganachari from KLE Belgaum, Dr. Priyank Tripathi, Dr. Maheshwari Madam, MS Ramaya University, and Dr. Harsha Chalasani from JSS Mysore for delivering their valuable scientific presentations. I must say thanks to Dr. Vinod, Organizing Secretary, who helped me and suggested me in all the matters related to the conference. And I must say thanks to my colleague and classmate, Dr. A. Sudhir, co-convener of this program. And it's my responsibility to say thanks to all delegates, who is the backbone of the success of this event. And thanks to all principals and managements for their encouragement to participate their students in the event. Around 450 delegates are registered for the conference from around 19 colleges, namely JSS College of Pharmacy Mysore, Annamachara College of Pharmacy Rajampet, Andhra University Vizag, Balaji College of Pharmacy Anantapur, Sri Mahila University Tirupati, SRM University Chennai, Sri Venkateswara College of Pharmacy Chittoor, Mahati College of Pharmacy Madanpalli, Rao's College of Pharmacy Nellore, Sri Vidyaniketan College of Pharmacy Tirupati, RR College of Pharmacy Bangalore, OTPRA Anantapur, Chalapati Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Guntur, Santharam College of Pharmacy Nandyal, CS College of Pharmacy Karnool, St. John's College of Pharmacy Emmiganur, Guru Nanak College of Pharmacy from Telangana, Bhaktaveda Hospital and Research Institute from Maharashtra. I thank really their principals and their HODs and faculty of Department of Pharmacy Practice for their encouragement. And it's my responsibility to say thanks to all organizing committee heads and members, registration committee, Dr. K. Somasekhar Reddy, Mr. E. Bhargav, Mrs. Ravani, Mr. Naveen and Anjali. Really, they done wonderful job. And in the brochure preparation, Dr. U. Virendra, you done wonderfully. The brochure, the banner, and as well as the certificates also, and your team, Sajida Begum and Reshma. And in the stage decoration, it's very, very crucial. Dr. M.V. Jyoti Madam, Mrs. Nagasubha Madam, Lakshmi Prasanna, Mathileti and Nujahat. And the purchase, Dr. Haranath. I thank Dr. Haranath. I have taken so many suggestions from Haranath during the organizing of this conference, and his team, Mr. Sunil and Madhileti. Dr. Sunil, thank you. You have done a nice mementos. Very important thing for technical support. Dr. Nawaz, you have done, you have given good technical support for us. Yesterday also, Dr. M.S. Ganachari sir, he felt very happy for this, and Miss Charita. And scientific and posture, it's the backbone, we can say that. Dr. Naresh, really very thankful to you. You have very much patience. Even though I called in the night, even I will message you, sir, some posters came, please check and give reply like that. Thank you very much. Dr. Suresh, Dr. Vaishnavi, thank you. And the anchor, Dr. Sahiti, thank you. You are a wonderful modulator. Thank you, Sahiti. And Hima Udayasri, thank you very much. Hospitality, it is a very, very important one. Lakshman Naik, Mr. Lakshman Naik, Kranti, Anjali, Mrs. Parimala and Pranav, and Ramalingeshwar sir. Sir, I am very, very thankful for you. Sir, your suggestions and whatever the things, it's very important for us. And the main thing, the food, the catering, Shakir and his team, thank you very much. Your sweets are very nice, and rasam, Mirial rasam, it's very, very very, very good. And each and every faculty, all the faculty of Riper, they worked a lot. They have done a wonderful job. And office staff, I thank, non-teaching, I thank everyone for their valuable contribution in the success of the event. I must say thank to all student volunteers. It is very, very important. I am seeing since from 2 days, near the technical support with the help of Nawaz, so many people are here. They are going to the tea or not, I don't know. But always all the people are here only, not only here, in case of the registration, the volunteers, and at the post at scientific sessions, and as well as near the food also. All the volunteers, really it is appreciable. You done a good job. And the catering, everything. They actively participated in all works. Really, it's highly appreciable. Thank you very much, each and everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Before winding up, we request Manorama Madam from Shantiram College of Pharmacy to say a few words.
Respected principal sir and all dignitaries on the dais, very thankful to you sir for organizing this type of conference. It is very useful to our students and also on to everyone because it is for getting more knowledge. This type of knowledge is not in our books. Okay, so my suggestion is to everyone, first attend, don't miss this type of conferences. Okay, so this type of conferences will give the more information, more knowledge. So this knowledge will be useful to your academics also. Okay, so this is my suggestion, and also follow this to everyone will be follow this suggestion. Okay, sir, mainly very thankful to your management, sir. You gave good transportation and also good accommodation to us. Really very thankful, sir. This type of conference will be in future also will be arranged, and also our students also will be participated actively in next time also.
Now we request all the delegates to stand up for the national anthem. I request Mukesh to come on to the dais.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे गाहे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाधा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे